Nakakasira siya ng ng plata. Delubyo level. Okay, ngayon naman nandito kami ni Mami sa Temple of Literature. Medyo hulas adelgas na kami. Let's go. Mga Janet Jackson. We cannot do anything about that. This is what it looks like. There. Hala, nagsombrero na siya. Ilaban niya yung sombrero niya. Okay, we are gonna walk and pray. Happy birthday kay Mommy! This Vietnam trip is a birthday trip for her. Are you having fun?
Yes. Onion sayo.
Annyeonghaseyo. Shinchao.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu. Feeling ko itong Temple of Literature, it's giving Intramuros vibes. Parang mga, ayan. First time in Hanoi.
Yeah.
And in Vietnam. Ako first time in Hanoi. So, lahat ng mga tourist spots, i-check muna natin sa ating bucket list before we do other things. Hi! So, andito na kami sa taas ng double-decker. Hi, Mommy! Unfortunately, medyo umambon ng very light. So, hindi ko sinuot yung aking raincoat. Pero, binigyan kami ng earphones so that we can listen to the explanation of where we are going. The whole tour is about 1 hour and 10 minutes, and it starts from the Hanoi Opera House and it also ends there. So, sana tumila na yung ulan. Nakakasira siya ng ng plata. Ayan, tumila na ang amon. So, na mas payapa na tayo makakapag... Wow! Experience! Anong nangyari sa tour natin? Siri, please play Basang Basa sa Ulan by AGs. Ito na nga. Bumaba na kami. Nasa delubyo level siya. Delubyo level. Life is so fucking fun. It's a new experience, right? I mean, I've done double-decker tours a lot in my life. It's the first time na inulan ako. So it's like, ooh, bagong bucket list check. So we just finished our city bus tour ng mapayapa. Nabuhay naman, nag-survive. How was it? Anyway, pagbalik namin dito saan kami nag-start, walang ulan, hindi basa. Look, pina-experience lang sa atin ni Lord kung paano mabasa sa isang city bus tour, and I'm not even mad about it. So, make sure to try that when you are here at Hanoi.